welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. I'm Christine, and I'm kind of fancy today, I must say. This is a new dress that I just made. So this dress is hot off the press, and it's actually one of the projects I'm going to share. I made it before I could even share about the project. I have so many projects on the deck to make, and so I thought I would just run down kind of a new fabric haul that I have, as well as my plans for the next couple weeks of sewing. So the first fabric I want to share is what I made this dress out of, and it's this gorgeous cotton lawn from Minerva. So this is the exact same cotton lawn that I used for my white smocked top, if you remember that. I loved that fabric so much that I ordered it again in the navy blue and decided to try some shirring. So this is actually going to be next week's video. I did a vlog as I made it. And yeah, I really love it. Of course, I love this fabric. I'm definitely going to link it below. I think it's one to save if you ever need a great cotton lawn. I think it comes in something like 30 some colors. And this dress is definitely super lightweight. And I can already tell, I didn't want to take it off today after I made it. So I can already tell it's going to be one that I really enjoy wearing and is super lightweight. So if we've been friends for a while, you know I love a good tablecloth, and I found another one. So this one I just thought was so cool. I loved the design. It kind of gives me 60s vibes. So on this side, it has kind of this peachy background with then the more orange in the center. But then on the back, it's actually a stronger orange, and I'm not sure which side I'm going to use. Maybe leave me a comment below if you have any thoughts about it. I think technically this is the wrong side and this is the right side. I can tell by just the hem. So this is actually the right side. I'll probably, now that I see this on camera, I'll probably use this side. I also was thinking about colors against my skin. These really aren't the best colors for me, to be honest. But I think probably the peach is probably a little bit better out of the two. But with this, I am going to be making a Mercer. I'm going to use my Mercer top pattern, but make it into a dress. So I have the dress I made that I did, kind of the bleach shibori finish. I wear that all the time, and it's really cool. I wear it for running errands, going to the market, and I feel like I can just move and go in that dress. So I figured I'm going to make another one out of this tablecloth and use the pattern somehow really cool. You know, the Mercer has the little sleeve flange, so somehow using maybe this design on the sleeves. So this is going to be coming up very soon. I can't wait to share it with you. This was a really good find. So next up is another tablecloth that I really want to cut up, but I'm kind of having a little bit of apprehension to, because it is in perfect condition and it's literally hand painted. I kind of thought that it might be hand painted because there were some obvious areas where it looked like they were like almost mistakes in a way. And I thought, wow, that doesn't look like it was actually printed. And so indeed, it definitely has been hand painted. I've washed it, and so you know, I was kind of like, I wonder if the ink is going to come out, but it's definitely been treated and washed, and so it's in perfect condition, which is why I'm kind of having a little bit of second thoughts about actually cutting it up. And it is so incredibly beautiful. Look at that design, and it's on both sides and then down the edges. But I also think this would just be such a beautiful top or dress. So I don't know, let me know what you think. Would you cut it? I don't use tablecloths, and so I don't think I'll ever use a tablecloth. So it really makes no sense for me just to hold on to it. But yeah, so this is another one. I absolutely just love the colors. So next up, I wanted to show you this gorgeous cotton I found at my local fabric store, Julian Lopez. If you're ever in Valencia, or actually anywhere in Spain, you definitely got to look them up and take a visit. So why I wanted to show you is this fabric. It's 100% cotton. It is like silk. It literally is so soft. I've never felt anything as soft as this in my life as far as a cotton, lightweight cotton goes. The woman at the fabric store was telling me that this is even better quality than Liberty of London. I believe it. So it's manufactured by Pierre Cardin, made in Italy, 100% cotton, and specifically it's the tissues line of fabric. And I did look it up on the internet. It's going from anywhere from like 30 euros to 50 euros a meter. This one was seven euros for the meter. And oh my gosh, I wish you could touch it. I want you to feel it. But it's just really, really super soft. So I thought I would make a little Lennox pajama set just for sleeping at the end of summer here. Kind of a cool print. I like the neon colors. So yeah, this was a really good find at my local fabric shop. So if you've been following me for a while, you also know that I love a good duvet cover project. And I found another one. So this one I found and I just love it. It kind of feels like almost like a linen. It has sort of like a slubby texture to it. And so I'm going to make a two-piece set out of this using my Aster skirt, which is my wrap skirt pattern. And I have an idea for a top I'm going to do. So that's the plans with this. I really want to get this done before the end of summer because I think that I'll definitely get some good use out of it. So yeah, this is another one that's coming up very, very soon. Okay, so the next project is one that I have been kind of avoiding for a while, and that is making pillows for my sofa. I did make one pillow out of recycled denim jeans, which I think I did a video of. I'll link it below as well. But I have 4 other pillows on my couch that I just have been using like the pillow inserts. And it's kind of to the point where I feel a little bit embarrassed when people come over. So it's just time. I really just need to finish the project. So part of the reason why I haven't actually made the pillow covers yet is I just have had such a hard time deciding on the fabric because it kind of is like a big element of the design of the space is like the pillows. And so I just decided I'm going to do denim, and that is the theme. I'm going to do denim. And if I don't like it, I can just make other ones eventually. So I ended up picking up just this really basic, kind of like lightweight, it almost is like a chambray weight of denim for making some pillows. So I'm going to do one big one out of this with maybe some like cool stitching or something. And then I'm going to do another big one, I think, with this in the back, and then put this like dresser scarf that I have that's just the right size of a pillow over the denim. So the denim will be kind of like peeking through like that. So that's the idea for 2 pillows. And for one of the little pillows, I actually went thrifting with Lisa from And So On, who just lives a couple hours away. It was so great to meet her and see her. And she found this fabric and it definitely caught my eye. And I was thinking about doing a top out of it because it's such a pretty, I think it's a really pretty print. But when I kind of thought about the sofa, I was like, oh, this with the lace and the denim is going to make a really cool combo. So this is going to be a pillow. And then the 4th pillow, I'm thinking about doing another jeans upcycle. It's a long kind of lumbar size pillow. So I'll be doing something with that. And I'm really wanting to get this done like ASAP to get my sofa done. And so kind of thinking into fall, I wanted to show you this other embroidery that I found that I'm thinking I'm gonna make a boho style jacket out of. When I saw this embroidery, it's not really showing up quite the same as it is in person. It's a little more turquoisey in person. But I just thought, oh my God, I'm gonna make a little, I think, short jacket that kind of ties. This is definitely further down the project list because I won't be wearing this until fall, but I just wanted to show you this gorgeous, it's definitely a tablecloth. And it is made of like a thicker fabric. So that's why I thought a jacket would be a really nice project, kind of using this along the center front or something like that. So I'm so excited about this. I just really loved the colors and the handwork. I thought it was really, really, really unique. So next up is also kind of a more of a future project, but kind of soon. So my mom and sister are coming to visit, and I'm really, really excited. And so I was thinking about making my sister and maybe my mom, if you're watching, you have to let me know what you like. But definitely for my sister, I want to make her one of my special embroidery robes. So I have a couple embroideries that I picked up, and I'm just kind of tossing around ideas for maybe something that would make a really pretty robe for my sister that she can take home and have a little memory. So yeah, I got this one. I just thought was so pretty. I think this is crochet work that's inside of it. And then of course the cross stitch, and then it has the, I don't know if this is like called entredeaux work in the middle. So I would love to maybe figure out how to use this to make a little robe. Or I have this little sheet that I found that I thought would make such a pretty robe for her as well, with the little delicate flowers that are embroidered. I really, really, really loved this one. I thought, I don't know why it made me think of her. So definitely going to be making something special for the girls when they come visit. So that's my stash. I definitely have a lot of projects on the dock to get made. The least excited about the pillows, but it will definitely feel good to get those checked off my list. And as always, you can shop my patterns over at sewinginthecity.com. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a great week up ahead. And yeah, I'll see you soon. All right, bye.